They've been working on this ship longer than most other people. They've been working on this ship longer than the owners have been owning the ship. There are unacceptable reasons for this action from the company. They blame a change in the EU subsidy rules for sea transport. There is a state subsidy for sea transports in Sweden as in other European countries. But now there has been introduced a discriminatory ruling saying that this this subsidy may not go for personnel who are non-European.
I'm ashamed of what they are doing to Pakistani workers here.